Balaitige para sa isang laban na naman ng TFC versus the Fuego Point. Ito, isa na ng warm up ng TFC Warriors at ang kalaban na Fuego Point dito sa covered court ng Barangay Balaitige.
Good luck, TFC.
Congrats, legend. Congrats, legend. Solid na solid ang team.
Mr. Acompañado, proper back in. Ayan. From
Bailo.
Bailo.
Wait lang po, wait. Gumana ka, teka lang.
Teka lang.
Gumana ka.
Gumana ka.
Wait lang. So, nagahang.
Ito.
Wait lang po, wait. Napuno siguro ano ko. Bakit na?
Okay. First ball possession goes to the TFC. And then, right there. Now for the TFC, they keeping the ball alive for the Fuego. Calvo ang may tangan na. And then the ball intercepted. Then the shot is good. May kasama pang foul on number 12 on that pushing contact.
Villas. Number 17 there.
Two free throws for De Los Santos. And then, so, a miss shot para kay De Los Santos. De Los Santos again. A 4-0 start para sa kumpulan ng TFC. Yan.
Dadaan muna ako daw. Pagka
Acompañado too strong. Pitero on the rebound. Lead pass to the open guy. Guarded by defender number 22. The shot clock for TFC. 15 to shoot. But the ball top right there. Ball back to him. The shot on ball. Battle on the rebound. To the number 17. Conhe. O 71 niya. 71. Conhe. Yan si Conhe. Aba, 6-2 nating start to para sa kumpulan ng TFC. Ganado ang mga TFC ito. 13 on the shot clock. Calvo may tangan ng bola. Binigay kay number 22. The jumper ball. Kabalak na ba yung partner? There was a call. 15 pushing foul. 14 on the shot clock for the Fuego. Flores. Then Bosque. Ball intercepted. Lead pass to number 71, Konghe. Nice pass to number 15, Bert lang natin naman. Calvo, lead pass to Bosque. Cross court, Acompañado. Guarded by Pitero, nice D by Pitero. Then to Konghe. Konghe pa rin ang may tangan. Elbow jumper, using the glass. An 8-2 nating start. Pa naman. So, eto si Calvo. Calvo pa rin. Tinitimon ng kalaw-pinsiba. Biglang tumigala sa fly. Kabala ko ng rebound. Kabalag right there. And then 11 on the shot clock. 11 seconds to shoot. Bosque ang tumanggap. Running attempt, 1 drop. 6 to shoot. Acompañado with the first 2 from the Fuego. So, eto, si Mr. Conhe, guarded by Calvo. 15 on the shot clock. Inside to De Los Santos. Tapping ka ng bola na punta sa kumpulan ng Fuego. Calvo running down the floor. Ang counter scorer na by Vincent Daidon. Pushing foul on Calvo 27. So we got now on the board for the TFC. Then to Sevilla. Shot clock at 15. Baseline attack. Mintis tapping ang bola. De Los Santos unable to drop. Then Flores right there. Pitero underneath. 3 seconds violation. So 8-2 in our score. 6 na puntos abante para sa upunan ng TFC. Aba, malayong lugaran. Kabalag is there. To Calvo. Then to an open teammate. There's a contact hold on number 15. Hit on the arm. Second foul on number 15. Second team foul TFC. For the TFC. Yan. Huwag kakalimutan niyo po. 2 free throws for Ribillas. Yan. The first free throw too strong. Aba naman si Mr. Pitero. Akala ko retiro ka na. A second free throw violation, substitution. Pitero goes to the home. Pitero, first time on action on the hard court para sa kumpulan ng TFC. Conhe, Pitero, De Los Reyes, Conhe, may contact sa bandang ilalim. 15, shooting arm, contact, acompañado. Acompañado, first foul, 3 team fouls, Fuego. Conhe for 2 free throws. So the basket 1 point, 5 minuto, 14 ang ating first period. On that second free throw, basket again. Right now, basket. Right to the middle. Rejected. 15 on the shot clock for the Fuego. Shot clock, we're down to 10. Calvo to acompañado. 1 drop. 5 to shoot. Then he launches 1 go. And then the ball right now for the TFC. De Los Santos drives in. Mintis nga lang. Fresh court din ito para sa upuan ng TFC. And then there was a contact whistled for number 22, Ribillas. Yan. First time out for the TFC. 4:20 to go. 10-2 in our score. So number 20. 4 minutes and 20 to go. 14 on the shot clock. Then to an open teammate. De Los Santos. Wando Kabalag for the rebound. Then Kabalag running down the floor. Down to the middle. The ball loses it. And then a counter stolen. Aricobe. A counter stolen with a counter attack. 3 minuto eksakto tayo. And there was a whistle blown. Number 6, Bosque hit the arm. Substitution. Penalty. 2 free throws for 41. First free throw. Bakwal on the first free throw, nothing. And then the second free throw for Bakwal. Sablay parehas. Tapi ka ng bola. Nasa kupunan ng break point. And then the shot clock at 17. Time remaining 2:20 sa ating first period. Number 12 won the battle on the rebound on the fresh 14 right now for the break point. De Los Santos on that offensive rebound. And then lead pass to Espinelli. 2 minuto sa ating game clock. 14 on the shot clock. The basket 2 for the TFC player. And then 10 ito, double digit. And then we got timeout for the break point. The double digit lead para sa kupunan ng TFC at 12-2. And now the ball on the side for the Fuego point. Calvo to Bosque. So still by Bosque. Bosque pa rin ang may dangan. Ball back to Calvo, swing to the left side. Three, Acompañado. Anton Acompañado with a long jumper. And now he lost it. He lost the ball right there to Calvo. There's a contact whistled on 24. Yan. 1:11 to go. 2 free throws for Calvo. 12-5 in our score. Maring tapyasan, hindi na tapyas ni Mr. Calvo sa unang bukol. 1 minuto, 11 segundo ang meron tayo sa ating first period. On that second free throw for Calvo. Calvo again, another miss. But there's was a substitution. 13 on the shot clock. 1 minute left to play. Then 10 seconds to shoot. But right now, less than a minute ang ating oras. Then Pitero pa rin ang may tangan. Pitero creating the drop pass. And the ball goes to Fuego point. So looking for an open guy. 33 seconds. Lead pass to Calvo at the baseline. Calvo, there was a contact. But now, 41, Bakwal called for that hit at the arm. First foul, Bakwal. Warning for penalty, TFC. 2 free throws. Calvo, supply ang kanyang unang pukol. Pag na-shoot yan ni Calvo, shot clock off tayo. And then, the second free throw, unable to drop. Yan. Shot clock off tayo. Game clock 20. So the game clock worked down at 10 seconds. There was a contact. Basket will count. Number 4, called for that contact. Bonus free throw for De Los Santos with the time remaining at 7 seconds.
Di ba nag-delete ako ng message?
At the end of the first period, our score, a 9-point lead deficit margin for the TFC, 14-5. Ating third game. So ball now to the TFC. Player ng TFC, please enter at the court. Sa inyo ang possession for the start of our final chapter. This is fourth period. The fourth period is brought to us by the Sangguniang Kabataan ng Barangay Balaitige. And then, Bakwal, power play. There's a contact holding for Bosque.
Bosque, number 6, Barawa.
Second foul for Bosque. First team foul, Fuego. 2 free throws, Bakwal. Ang bola ay humalik sa labi ng ring. Buti pa ang bola. Ang inyong tagapagsalita ay matagal na nakahalik ka.
Sa mic.
Hindi. Basket ang isa. And then right now, 15-31 Magner. Lamang siyang ito. Calvo. Ribillas with a left-handed layup at the shade lane. Running down the floor into the front court. 0-4 right now to De Los Santos. Then to number 41. 3. Bakwala. Then 53-33. 20-point balloon margin para sa kupunan ng TFC. Shot clock at 14. Shot clock at 12. Official shot clock. Ayan. And now to Calvo. Then to Acompañado on the jumper. So, there's hit at the shooting arm on number 15. 3 free throws for Acompañado. Ang unang pukol, hindi na sigurado. Floresta, third foul.
Sabi mo na.
2 out of 3.
Dalawa.
Hit time.
Namatay. Wala mic. Wala pang mic yata. Patay mo muna ulit ang mukha niyo.
Ano talaga guys? Basket ang isa.
Sigaw ka, sigaw. Basket ang first.
First one, basket.
Pamamalak.
The second one was applied. Substitute free throw. Okay.
Ay, okay.
Third one, basket. Substitution.
Oh. Lamig ng boses na.
May isa pa tagay ako.
Okay, ganda.
Dribbling violation.
Na-dribble mo, kinuha tinapon mo, kinuha.
Happening now. Yes. Wala pa rin. And then side to 18 to shoot. And the ball right there, we got. And then
Dapat may word na eh. Microphone.
5 and 12, remaining time. 14 close, number 22, kabala. 5-12, 5-12. 5-12.
Tira number 20, tatlo.
Ay, magkami, pagkatid ko lang yan. Ay, magkami.
5 minutes and 12. Time out. Referee. 5-12. 5 minutes and 12 seconds.
Naubos na battery. Wala yung megaphone, wala tayong megaphone mo.
12. Jumper, one go. Oy, whistle tayo doon.
Wala na ang fuego. Still there is
And Sandos.
Kasa pa rin.
Wala.
Halo, boss.
And 12 to shoot. Hello. Nag-blink na. Ay, ay, ay. Anak na din. Ten seconds to shoot. And then oras. 2:03. 2 minutes and 3.
2 minutes.
Final. 2 minutes.
Last 2 minutes brought to you by
15 to shoot. A basket not good. Another miss. 1:42. 1 minute and 42 left. One and 32. Panyado ay nagtimbaw. Third foul ang Panyado, 14 seconds to shoot.
Tiga sakat. Zero.
Pero, 45 seconds.
Nasa ilalim.
Drop 10.
5 to shoot.
seconds.
Ay, dadalawa na.
Fifty-five, 43.
Bakwal daw, bakwal, bakwal.
Power on. Bluetooth connected.
Si Bakwal po daw ang best player.
Okay.